Time, kung hihingan man ako ng bagong sister in the next life, kung ano man ako, lamok man, paro-paro, gusto ko ikaw pa rin yung ate ko.
On my birthday, and this is another moment, another milestone, and I'm healthy, and I know my purpose. I will serve my purpose no matter what. So thank you, and I love you, and thank you for coming, and thank you for spending your time with me. I know it's a Sunday, dapat family day, but you guys decided to be with me. Thank you, and I love you.
In front of you because life begins at 50. Ay, hindi ka pa pala 50! Naka-gold ka kasi kala ko golden girl. So yun, marami pa ang pwede mo pang makita and pwede mo pang ma-explore in this lifetime. But I just wanna say thank you so much for being my sissy, for taking care of me, sa mga pamangkin, sa lahat, everybody. Lahat tayo dito pinapasaya ni Sissy kami. Kaya ngayon, pinasaya natin siya with our presence. Kaya, thank you so much. I love you, Sis, so much. Always here for you. Sawadee ka. Time, kung hihingan man ako ng bagong sister in the next life, kung ano man ako, lamok man, paro-paro, gusto ko ikaw pa rin yung ate ko. Yes, kahit yung lamok 3 days lang ang buhay, okay na ako dun. Ikaw pa rin yung hihingin kong ate. Kasi siya talaga gumagawa lahat for me. And hindi talaga siya, ang wish ko sa kanya, more time for herself this time. Kasi lahat inalay niya talaga sa amin, lalo na sa akin. Kaya whenever may sabi niya, papayagan kaya